Well, thank God I got that sorted out. Right, okay. Now, my friend Phil, he actually, let's see, I'll show you. He loaned me this oscilloscope, the one at the bottom, which is a lot newer than mine actually. It's a lot better than mine. Mine's basically on its way out. Mine's, yeah, it works, but yeah. Now let's see the difference between my scope and his scope. I'm just gonna plug the signal. Let's put the settings the same. Now I've got this on on mine at the moment. Hang on a minute, I can't see what I'm doing. A minute. Right, I've got it on 2 milliseconds at the moment, right? So let's put this one on. Let's put channel 2 on. I want channel 2. I want source channel 2. One AC. One. I'm sorry, it's a bit bright now. Can't win. One AC as well. Right, so I'm gonna move this now. Let's count the divisions right now. Damn thing's moving again. What's the matter with it? Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I've got 14 peaks. Right. I'm just checking the time base. I haven't calibrated the time base. I haven't touched the time base. 19 touched the oscillator. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Well, it's 13 actually, because it's moving slightly. Right. Now let's plug it into the other oscilloscope. This is my signal generator, as I was showing you earlier. Wrong one. Would help if I plugged it in the right hole. Just a minute. Oh, why is it muted? Am I on AC? Just a minute. I need more light. Just a minute. Right. That should be better. Right, we can see what we're doing now. Why has it gone muted? Where is it? It's just gone dim for some reason. Let's see. I want channel 2. Oh. I want to set the trace position in the middle. Why has it gone off? I want it on AC. Oh, I'm on the wrong time base. No wonder. Right. No wonder it was going to give me hiccups. Right, I want the time base on 2 milliseconds. So I want to be on. Where's the blooming hour? Oh God, I can't see. Right, I want to be on. Oh, there's something very odd going on here. Oh, it's milliseconds over here. Right, 1, 2 milliseconds. Right, okay, let's count. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13. Yeah, okay. We've actually got 13. We're just on the wrong voltage. The voltage on my other scope is 0.2 volts. So let's set this to 0.2. Wrong one. Where's the other one? Volts division. This one. Oh, here we go. Right, there we go. Right. Now we're on 0.2 volts. Same as mine. And look at the lock on that. That's, I ain't even touched it. Yeah, I ain't even touched the thing, and it's locking pretty good. Mine's just worn out. Let me just get something on this wire to stop it moving. Just put something on top there. Right, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. I've got 12. My time base might be a bar. Oh, this has got a thingamajig, a var thing. What's that var thing do? I assume when it's flat out, it's normal. Right, let's count. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. I lost count. Right, I've got 12 divisions, right, on this scope. Now I'm going to plug this directly back into my scope. Mine's drifting again. See what I mean? It's terrible. I've got this. Let's see. I want channel 2 silly me. No wonder it wasn't locking on. I want to be on. I didn't have the trigger on channel 2. That's why it wasn't locking. Let's get this. It's still twitching a bit. Right, we'll get it locked in a minute. Try manual. The automatic seems to be the only one really. Wants to be. Well, I'm just gonna. I wish it wouldn't do this. Just give it a kick up the arse or something. Well, let's try AC. Ah, that's better. Right. Right. Stay put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13. Well, actually, I've got 13 on mine, so my time base is a bit off. My time base is a little bit off, but let's count the divisions. We've got 1.2 volts division, so that's 2, 4, 6. That's 12 volts. So 12 volts from top to bottom. So that's 0.2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So it's 12 volts. That's right, because actually I've got a 12 volt regulator in my signal generator. So that's 12 volts from top to bottom. Now let's go back onto the other scope and see what this one reads. See if this one's accurate. Oh, because we don't know if this is accurate or not. So let's see. This looks a bit low actually. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's a bit low. Actually, it's just a tad low on voltage. But mine might be too high. Yeah, so it's not far off. It's the best. One of the ways of checking this as well is to check it with a DC source as well, like a reference voltage. But it's not far off. It's good enough, I suppose. Mind you, mine could be off. I don't know which is which right now. So yeah, I'll get quite a lot of strobing on this one. That's fine. I don't know if we got. Do I get that on mine? Let's have a look. No, it's not as bad on mine. I've got much better smoothing on mine by the looks of it. Less ripple when I'm filming. Yeah, this has got a lot of straw, but it's light that's causing it. No. No, I don't like that. Ooh. Yeah, that's hard to film. Yeah. It might be just my camera or phone. Anyway, it's interesting to compare the differences between the two scopes. Well, I obviously know that this trigger lock is better. But anyway, I've got to run mine anyway because I'm turn this one off. I have to test it, leave it on test for an hour, a few hours, and see how it goes. So anyway, thanks for watching.